What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the Just Kidding channel. So I am in Rochester with my mom and my stepdad Deyton over here. We're gonna be working on his catback for his 370Z. This car is clean. So gonna get ready to start this installation. Do you want to speak on this catback? All right, so
AAM.
it's AAM.
AAM 2.5 true dual exhaust.
Okay.
It already has Stillen header, or not header, but
Intake. Alright, so from the catback, it starts here from the headers. So we removed 2 bolts on this side, 2 bolts on the other side, because it is a 6-cylinder, and it goes down here. We already removed the bolts to the Y pipe. We just have to get to the axle back, and then we should start on the exhaust hangers. These are the nuts for the axle back, and this is what holds the muffler. So from here, we're gonna take off these 2, we're gonna take off those 2 over there, and we're gonna remove it. Alright, so now on to the exhaust hangers. These are usually the most difficult part. So if you guys don't know what exhaust hangers are or what they look like, these rubber hangers, so when your exhaust moves around, it doesn't rattle or it doesn't break anything if it was welded. So they make them rubber so it can move around. This is gonna be a bitch to do, but sooner we start, the sooner we finish. Alright, so we got the axle back off. The easiest way to remove it is to remove these 3 bolts for the exhaust hanger and just allow it to drop down. While it's on the car, it's very difficult to get to. So once you drop it down, you'll be able to pull this off by wiggling it, and then you just use these 3 bolts back. Pretty easy. Alright, so we removed the stock catback entirely. So now we have this fresh AAM catback to install. I'm excited, Dane. You excited?
yep.
Alright, let's get it done. Alright, we got the exhaust on. Now all we have to do is tighten it down and install the tips. Looks pretty clean. Right, so the exhaust install is finished. Me and Deyton have a little OCD because this side came out with a gap on the right and a little bit of space on the left. And this side came out like this. We did try to adjust it for like the past 10-15 minutes. We still wound up having the same result. So we might have to get another like 5 degrees on that pipe, and then we should be good. But as far as the whole install, it's finished. Right, Deyton, you want to start off?
Cold start, see.
Oh, I'm sorry, man.
It's alright.
You know, some of us are vertically challenged. I can smell it. Might have to get some revs for the viewers, man.
Get that. Even another 30 seconds and
Huh?
another 30 seconds and I hit it.
I got you.
I'm waiting for it to drop.
Yeah.
Pull off and come back around.
Got you. So would you say there's any drone?
Yeah.
None yet? Man, it sounds pretty good.
Kind of getting excited.
It sounds good.
Yeah, I'm cheating on rev matching.
Alright, let's see. think it's pretty bearable.
Yeah.
You know, normally it'd be crazy loud. Like when I had that exhaust on my WRX, that cheap one,
Right.
it was terrible. But this sounds nice. And these are cruising speeds, so you won't be able to hear it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a good one.